Here we go, bonfire day again. Not a bad size, this one. Probably not the biggest, bit of cardboard underneath. So, correct way to light it, wind's on the back of me, so the flames will go through. A little bit of, this is like petrol and diesel. It's left over from what some guy put in his fuel tank and had to get rescued, so it's pumped out. There you go, nice and safe, just a gentle fire. Bit of a squeeze bottle. Pretty hard to do this and try not to burn yourself to the ground. So bit of a squeeze bottle and we're off. Not much, probably half a litre of fuel. As you notice, the wind is actually blowing the fire through the pile. There we go. Top part started. Let's go on the other side and make sure we've still got a bit of a kick going on there. Yeah, look, starting to burn underneath. Burning well on this side. Bit of gum tree always gets things going. Doesn't even matter whether they're green or not. The eucalyptus in the gum tree really fires this thing up. Yeah, look at that. Well and truly. So probably 20 minutes this thing will be burnt to the ground. There's only light leaves and stuff in this one. A couple of pellets to keep it burning for a while. Bit of cardboard I had laying around the joint. Stop that smoke, just get a bit of this stuff and get it burning. That'll stop the smoke in no time. There you go, look how good that is. Alright, just remember, be safe. Always the wind to your back so it blows the fire into the fuel that you're burning, and you'll end up with a great bonfire, and you'll end up without serious burns. See you next one.